To my channel. I am Kelly Martin with Lilla Rose. We are a hair accessories brand, and I'm here to teach you another great prom style. So for this week's style, we're just going to separate a little bit of hair in the front on the right and a little bit to the left. And then you're going to just take all the remaining hair in the middle, and you're going to fasten it up top close to your head. You can do this style a little higher, a little lower, so feel free to play around and see what you prefer. So you're going to fasten it up to the top, and then you want to also put one down towards the ends. If you have layers, you're not going to be able to get it as close to the bottom as if you don't. You just want to make sure it's not in a place where it's going to fall off, but you also don't want too long of ends because then it makes it a lot harder to hide them. Alright, so we have that, and we have our two tails off to the front. So what you want to do is you want to tuck these here so you kind of get where we're going, and then you want to just take a bobby pin and just to hold it. Oh, that's not holding it. I did it the wrong way. So you want to just kind of, I usually just grab the band of the lower section and the band of the upper section. You just want to tack it there just so it stays in place while we're dealing with the two front sections. You can kind of tuck your ends up, but you don't have to make it look pretty right now. So what we're going to do is just kind of smooth out and bring that first piece on the right back around. And you want to just kind of loop it there. Same with the piece to the left. Bring it around so it looks pretty. And you have that nice kind of look there. And then I usually loop it a little bit. And you can tuck the ends in. Make sure all the ends are tucked. And then you want to just take your Flexi Clip and bring it all the way around all of your hair. Make sure that it is centered so it doesn't hang off to one side. And then you can just clip that right there. I have a couple little tails hanging up there. You can just tuck them down. So then you have a nice little, almost like a drop bun, except it's not quite a bun. Then take this out so we can take out our bobby pin. As with the Flexi, you don't need any added hold. And hold on, I have some tails sticking out here, and let me actually just use a different clip here. And if you want, you can also just kind of do one loop and then tuck the tails right inside this. That way it's a little bit more of a cleaner look. And you just slip your Flexi up top, and you are good to go. Great for a night on the town, quick, easy prom style, or even just everyday wear. Well, thank you again for watching. My name again is Kelly Martin, and you are welcome to like things below and follow my channel. It would be greatly appreciated.